how to update Microsoft Teams. So if you want to update Microsoft Teams and if you want to get the latest version of Teams and dynamic view in Microsoft Teams, then what you need to do is if you're using your browser, then you will have the latest version as usual. But if you're using the application, then what you need to do is just simply go with your Microsoft Store, because you've downloaded from your Microsoft Store, right? So search for Microsoft Store and then open your Microsoft Store. And after opening, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And now here you need to search for Teams or Microsoft Teams. Wait for it to load. Once you have your Microsoft Teams installed, you need to just simply click on the Microsoft Teams right here. And if you have any updates, then you will have an update option right here. You just need to simply click on update. Instead of that installed option, you will have update. You need to click on it and it will be updated. Or if you're using it on your mobile device, like your iOS or your Android, then you will have your Play Store or your App Store. You can go with your stores and then search for Microsoft Teams and update it if you have an update button. But if you don't have an update button, it means that you have the updated version of your Microsoft Teams. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.